Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to change your password for Mailchimp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and go and type in www.mailchimp.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official web page of Mailchimp, make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, click on your profile icon at the lower left-hand corner. Click on Profile from the expanded menu, and soon after you do that you'll be able to see an option that says Change Password. Verify your current password by typing it into the first text box. Now choose a new password that you would like to update to on the next field. Once it had been the new password, go ahead and confirm the new password by typing it again in the next text box. Make sure both of the passwords in the new password text field and the confirm new password text box matches. Finally, after you're done, click on Update beneath. And with this you will be able to change your password for Mailchimp. Changing your password is a great way to begin if you want to protect your account security. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.